Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TransUnion for dispute workflow updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type TransUnion and press enter. Locate the official TransUnion website from the search results. Once on the home page, look for the sign in option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account, find the Register or Sign Up option. Click on Register to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password and confirm it as required. After completing the registration, submit your information to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Dispute section on the dashboard. In the Dispute section, look for updates related to your dispute workflow. If there are any updates, they will be displayed on this page. To download reports or updates, find the Download option. Click on the Download option to start the download process. Choose a location on your computer to save the downloaded file. Confirm your choice and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, open the file to review your dispute workflow updates. You now have the necessary information to keep track of your disputes. That concludes the guide on downloading TransUnion for dispute workflow updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.